You know how we've been doing TikTok challenges? Well, I got a message from TikTok Master basically saying this, that because we love these so much, it's time to take our DIYs and hacks to the next level.
Yeah. We're gonna have to like hurry up and try our best to do like all the life hacks, and we're gonna have to learn them. Then we have to put them on TikTok.
Make our tongue touch our nose. Go, 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 go. What in the world is this? Oh my gosh, this is so hard to do. Take that, TikTok watch her hands separate. She cheated. I got bad news, Ellie. I got bad news. I don't think you're 1% of the population. Take a look at this message.
You're gonna have to do DIY school supplies.
Now we're gonna have to do another TikTok challenge right now, and we're gonna have to do DIY school supply hacks, and I don't know anything about that. Hey guys, it's Mommy Cracker 8. So, as you saw in the last video, we basically, TikTok Master had us doing these 1, 2, 3, go like challenges that only 1% of the people can do. And I thought we did okay. We didn't do that great on them. But right at the end of that video, as you saw, we now have to do some school supply ones, some DIY school supply hacks. And I have no idea what to do, but Naiah and Elli say they know some hacks that we can try. So, guys, I don't know what are we supposed to do.
I know.
What?
Come to me with the classroom. That's where all the supplies are that we need.
Oh yeah, they are there. All right, let's go in there. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I haven't been to school in like 500 years. I'm literally a vampire.
Okay, just don't look at the messy room.
Okay, I'm refused to look at this room. Like, what are we gonna do? Oh, here's some paper clips. Is there a paper clip one that we could do real fast?
No. The first one I did.
Wait, why is there pepper and an oven mitten here? I don't even want to know. I don't even want to know.
We have a secret oven.
And there's Apple Jacks?
Yeah, those are Elli.
Okay, what's one that we can do?
With this eraser, you can make a cheat thing.
Wait, what? Wait.
You use
Why do you know? Why does she know a cheating hack for school?
Because it's from 1, 2, 3, go. It's for algebra.
Are you sure you have?
Yeah, it's for algebra.
Maybe this should be a lie detector one. Huh. Have you been cheating with erasers?
No, this eraser. I don't know. It is from the 1, 2, 3, go video. I don't know. You asked me.
How does a person even cheat with an eraser?
I don't know. I can show you. Mommy, let me look for it on 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay.
Oh, here it is.
Okay, let me see. Oh, okay, you're right. There's an eraser. Why is the eraser two-toned and fancy? So she cuts like halfway through. Okay, oh, she cuts down the middle. This is weird. What is she gonna do with it?
I know.
Glue. How is this a hack? Who needs an open eraser? TikTok Master's not. Wait! That's the cheating eraser? And who is this? The eraser dealer? Oh my gosh. So you get. So that. What is this? Oh my gosh. Guys, don't do this in school. You should know your answers. You should not be cheating in school. And I'm gonna have to talk to Naiah about why does she know this? Hello? Did you know this?
Yeah, I know
What?
this. I know this because there's like a candy thief who gives kids candy. I don't know. I was watching Elli here. I don't watch like this real candy thief.
All right. Well, since we have to cut that thing with the sharpener, let me try it, and then let me try it first and see if I can do it. Okay, so I've got my eraser here, and if I remember correctly, she cut right about here. What do you guys think? You think that's about the correct amount? Okay. Right here. Ooh, mine is like crooked. Oh my gosh. Oh, but it is cut. At least it's cut. So now what I have to do is cut this bigger part. Oh my gosh. Look how bad I'm cutting this.
Your knife cuts
It's super uneven, but you know what? When you're a cheat, you don't get fancy crafts. When you're a cheat, your crafts are ugly. Okay, look. Ew, it kind of looks like a hot dog. Like the inside of a hot dog.
Yeah, like the bun.
Okay, this is the ugliest cheat thing ever. But you know what? We're gonna make it work for this video. Okay, so Naiah's gonna write the math problems that we need to
This
cheat
is
with.
my math problem.
What, 1 + 1 is 0?
No.
Oh, okay.
This is my math.
It's so big though. I think it has to be tinier so you can
Yeah.
fit a bunch of stuff. How about we do this? How about I'm gonna fit this to that, right? It should be the same size. So we'll trace on this paper, we'll trace out the size of the actual cheat sheet. divided by... Ah! We're trying to take this serious here. We're gonna get kicked out. 9 divided by 3 equals... Wait, 3. There we go.
No, it's 18. No, it's 18. No, it's 18.
No, that's 9 times 3. Oh my goodness, someone needs a cheat sheet. Wait, guys. We don't have any glue. Do you have a glue stick?
No, we only have actual glue.
You have regular glue?
Yeah, we do have glue stick.
Where?
We have this glue.
No, that's hot glue. I don't think you're supposed to hot glue it. Ellie, do you know where a glue stick is? All right, let's see. Let's see. Ellie's looking for a glue stick. Whoa! Ellie! Naiah with her glue stick.
Sorry.
That's enough glue.
No, I didn't put any glue.
Oh, you need it all over, like all over. Every corner. Don't tear my beautiful hand precision cut eraser. That eraser is the highest level eraser you've ever seen. If anybody tries to say, they're jealous of me. All right, so now you're gonna stick the paper on. You guys see that? All right, so let's let it, we're gonna do like that. Wait, you can see clearly we're cheating. So I think what we have to do is cut our edges off. Okay, and we gotta press it down a little bit more.
Maybe we need to paint it.
No, I don't think anyone can really see that, right? So if you keep your eraser like that, what do you guys think?
No, you should flip it over.
Yeah, like that. Like that.
And then while the teacher's not looking, so I'll pretend I'm a student and the teacher's not looking.
Sit here. What kind of test paper is this? Oh my goodness. TikTok Master's gonna be like, no,
1 times 1 equals, question.
Oh my
Now
gosh.
you're supposed to look
All right,
at it.
wait, are you,
No,
can
I'm
you,
gonna do it.
can you hurry up and cheat?
Oh no, I don't know. Let me look at this eraser. Hey, you keep it open the whole time. There's the answer. Okay, and 1. Woohoo, I got 100 on my test.
Naiah, are you cheating?
No.
This is the principal.
100.
You get an F. I think we did a really good job with that one. Now let's see if we can figure out another school hack that we can do. I can't think of one, guys. What's a school hack that we can do?
There's so much more in the video. Just look.
Wait, let me see. Oh, you're right. Okay, let's all sit around and see if we can find the next one. Okay. So they're doing hydro dipping. Oh no, we did hydro dipping the other day.
No, it's nail polish.
But that still is a hydro dip. Do you think we can do
Is
it?
it actually working?
Let's see if it actually works. Does
This
it actually
doesn't
work?
look right.
Are they faking it?
No, that does not look right.
We're gonna have to figure out how to hydro dip some pencils, which we have a million pencils, but I don't have that many colored nail polishes, or maybe I do. I feel like I found some the other day. Let's go try to find some more.
Hey, Cray family. I'm just reminding you that I'm watching. And I see you're doing hydro dip. Well, it better be better than the last time you tried it. Or you're gonna get deleted.
So we've gotten a bowl of water, and the girls found different types of polishes to put in here. So we're gonna try to see if we can get this hydro dipping to work. I don't feel like we're gonna get it to work, Ellie. I'm kind of nervous. All right, so Ellie, why don't you go first? I'll hold the top. All right, let's put a little bit. Let's see. Oh no. Did you guys use up all this polish? I'm nervous about it. Okay, let's see if this one works. They've used up all the polishes. There's no polish left. Wait, hold it up. Okay, there's one. Okay. All right, so do the next one. So put that away. All right, so Naiah's gonna do the next one. Let's see, just hold it. All right, good. We got some. Oh my gosh, what did you guys do to this?
It's more like chunky, see? It's not really like a thin polish.
No, because you guys have left the tops off. So these are, guys, we're gonna have to come up with a different solution because none of these aren't gonna work.
That one.
Let's see. Whoa! Okay, the green one works. All right, I think that's good. Let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to go first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, Naiah goes first. All right, so Naiah, what's important is you hold on to the tip only, let it go all the way into the water. Okay, it's gonna have to be like this, and put your arm like that. 1, 2, 3, slowly put it in the water, then lift it out. Okay, don't touch it. Don't touch it, let it drizzle off. Wait, we didn't think of where we're gonna let these dry. Oh no! Okay, let's find a place to let them dry. Oh, and of course, Ellie has to be completely different from Naiah, so she's added more colors to her. So I'm gonna help her get started. Ellie, if we don't get started soon, we're gonna fail.
I don't care, I want my pencil.
You don't care if we TikTok master deletes us? Seriously? Are you TikTok master?
Baby. No,
What? Did you hear her? You're gonna dip it in, and I'm gonna help you. Here we go. Put it in, and then lift it out slow. All right, let it drip off for a second. But there it is so far, so you guys can see it.
It looks so pretty.
Yeah, I think it looks pretty.
We
can't even see it. You keep
It's a
moving
bomb.
it. You keep moving it. We can't see it. There it is. Can I be honest? That was a really good hydro dipping. Like, I don't even think I need to do one. I think that's enough for us to put that on TikTok, and I think she'll like it. Now, let's move on to the next DIY craft. We're just gonna see whatever else is in this 1, 2, 3, go video. How are we supposed to do this? Okay, so they're making some origami. I don't know what this is. All right, folding it quickly, lady. What's next? What's next? Okay. Wait, what is that? Is that a unicorn? Okay. I don't know how we're gonna make that, but we're supposed to make a unicorn bookmark. All right, let's get some paper. So I know they use white paper. It looks like they use some colored paper, either Post-it notes. They use a black Sharpie and some type of foam they use, like glitter foam that they use for the horn. I know we have some of those. I don't know about the foam. Oh wait, look at this foam I just saw right here. Could we use this purple foam?
And
right?
we can use this black marker.
Yeah, Ellie has a black marker. Those are the colors. The pink, blue, and
Yeah, the pack.
yellow.
Right here. Right.
All right, so I have no idea how they folded this, so I'm gonna rewatch that quickly. So we're gonna fold this over like this. Then they take this and fold it up into there. Okay, and I'm gonna do the other side like that as well. You guys let me know if I'm doing it right.
I think you are.
Now we're gonna open it back up. All right, and I'm gonna fold this little duckbill down even into the little cubby. Now I fold this inside of here. I don't think mine is gonna be perfect looking. It's looking a little off. I think I may need to cut this corner. Mine doesn't look as good, but you know what? It's gonna have to go for today. You're just drawing an eyelash and a little nose, okay? So the eyelash here, up here, up here. All right, so just go ahead and make up that, finish your eye. Okay, you wanna draw a tiny little nose? That's too low. It looks like a duck. What kind of thing is this? This is horrible, Ellie. Oh my gosh, it looks like she has a booger in her nose now. No, that's it. That's the face. All right, so.
Hey, it looks cute. It
Looks like a duck.
Yeah. No, it doesn't. If you look, it looks cute.
Okay. Good job, sweetie. Good
Not
job.
there yet.
So the next step is now we're gonna make the curly Q hair. So we're gonna have to cut all these strips out.
Don't look at my ugly hands, okay? I hydro dipped my hands.
So it's all done. Now we just have to stick our horn on with our glue stick. Ta-da! Okay, it's not exactly like 1, 2, 3, go, but I think it's pretty good.
Yeah.
For people who are not good at crafts.
I would say this is a little bit better than 1, 2, 3, go.
What?
The horn
Yeah.
looks 10 times better.
Yeah, get us that duck bill. Get us this. Quack, 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 quack. I'm Uniquack. So, Ellie, you see if you can stick it onto your thing as a bookmark. Woo! We did it, guys. It looks super cute. And it looks cute with their drawings in this little notebook. Wait, what is that? What is she doing? Yay. Really, Ellie? Guys, I think we did a good job. I think those school supplies were good. What do you guys think? I
think awesome.
I feel like we did them almost as good as Oh, wait, we didn't show them the final pencil. So they're still a little wet. So there are the final hydro dip pencils. They look the same as when I showed you last, but you know, they're a little bit more dry this time. Guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you stay tuned and see what else happens with TikTok Master. We're gonna post these on TikTok. Make sure you're checking out Mommy Cray Cray and official Naiah and Elli to check out all our TikToks. Give us support and love there because we never know when she's gonna have us do another hack or another challenge or something like that. So yeah, we appreciate all your support and we see you guys next time. Bye!
You might have passed this time, but don't think you're in the clear. I have more challenges prepared for you. And if you don't succeed at them, you will get deleted.